What's up, guys? My name is Austin Wayne. Welcome back to TYROLIFE Fitness. Today's video will be on how to get rid of your skinny fat physique forever. Now, I talk a lot about fat loss and how I was fat for the majority of my childhood, which I was. But there was a point whenever I was about 15, 16, whenever I got really obsessed with doing cardio via basketball about 8 hours per day and just completely starving myself to where I created this skinny fat physique for about 1 to 2 years. So in this video, I will tell you exactly how to get rid of it if this is currently your physique. Now, this is pretty much, you are very skinny, you don't have any muscle mass, but at the same time, you do not have a six-pack and you are not lean and kind of the slightest, probably 15%, maybe to 20% body fat. So let's get to the video, guys. All right, guys, first of all, if you are new to the channel, I'd love if you hit that little subscribe button. I'm growing an awesome fitness community on this channel. Let's go. All right, guys, so the skinny fat physique creates a big dilemma in the fitness community. Some people say you need to begin by bulking. Some people say you need to begin by cutting. Now, in this video, I will tell you exactly what to do if you currently have this physique. So this pretty much means that you are under muscled and you have too much body fat, meaning that your hormones are going to be wrecked and also your insulin sensitivity is also going to be wrecked. Now, what this means is if you were to try to bulk from this physique, any excess calories will literally just go straight to fat stores rather than muscle mass. So obviously this will just make your physique even worse. So we do not want to begin by bulking. This is the last thing that we want to do. So you need to begin by cutting. So like I've said in previous videos, you can start with a more aggressive cut, but you want to take about your goal body weight and multiply that by 10. So if you're 160 now and you want to get to 140, so eat 1,400 calories per day. Protein, it's going to be 0.6 up to 0.82 times your body weight in pounds. Fats, 30% of your calories. Carbs will be the remaining amount, okay? So it's pretty simple. All right, guys, so you want to do this up until you are at 10% body fat. Now, in the meantime, you should be doing full body workouts. Most people, whenever they first start with the gym, they do these like bullshit splits where Monday you do shoulders, Tuesday you do chest, Wednesday you do just legs. Like, this is the worst absolute workout split you could ever do. If you are a beginner, every beginner should start with full body workouts. This is going to maximize the human growth hormone production in the body, and it's going to have you increasing the most strength and muscle mass more than anything. You need to be focusing on compound movements, so lots of incline bench press, shoulder press, heavy squats, Bulgarian split squats, weighted chin-ups, deadlifts, like the fun, heavy, masculine lifts that will get you muscle mass to begin with. And even though you are going to be in a deficit, you will have something known as noob gains, even whenever you are shredding body fat. So you will be gaining lean muscle while getting ripped in the process, but it won't be as effective as if you were to be lean bulking, obviously. So do this up until you get to 10% body fat. Once you are at 10% body fat, and now once you are at 15% body fat, by the way, you should probably integrate refeed days about once a week. So once you hit 15%, that would mean that would be about 5 weeks or so of refeed days until you're at your goal weight of 10%. Because with this more aggressive deficit, you should be shredding about 1% of body fat each and every week. Okay, now you are completely diced. So you're at 10% body fat, you're very shredded, but you're pretty skinny. You've gained some strength during the muscle building workouts, but you're pretty skinny at the end of the day, okay? So now you need to lean bulk. So to lean bulk, you want to take your maintenance calories. So take your current weight now. So let's say you're at the 140 and multiply that by 15, okay? Now, from this will give you an estimate of your maintenance calories. There's also calculators that you can do on the internet, but this will give you a good estimate, okay? Now, from this point, you want to add about 200 to 300 calories extra on top of that per day. So if maintenance is 2,800, that means you should be eating about 3,000 to 3,100 calories per day. And now the extra calories from the cut should be coming from carbohydrates. So instead of bumping up fats, instead of bumping up protein, you should really just be bumping up the carbohydrates whenever you do this lean bulk. Now you want to lean bulk up until you're at 15% body fat, okay? Because at 15% body fat, then your insulin sensitivity is going to go away and your estrogen will be producing much more throughout the body. This is also why if you have too much body fat, you won't be able to grow taller and pretty much your hormones will just be completely wrecked. So you never want to go over 15% body fat. Once you are at 15% body fat, then it's time to start cutting down again. And now during this lean bulk, obviously you should be focusing on gaining strength progressing on these full body workouts and just getting as strong as you possibly can with your body. All right, man, so it's going to take time. It's going to take time to get rid of this skinny fat physique. But the thing is, I got rid of mine in 2 years. It takes a lot of commitment. It takes a lot of time. But if you start off by getting shredded, you can get shredded in like 8 to 12 weeks. And then from this point, you're no longer skinny fat. Like, you'll be skinny, but you'll look fit. And, you know, like, you'll look like a male model. Like, you'll look shredded. Like, you'll look aesthetic to girls. This is the best and quickest way to look good pretty much instantly. I mean, you get shredded 2 to 3 months versus building muscle over the course of 2 or 3 years. So I always say stay lean and then gradually build muscle throughout the years while staying lean. And you don't have to bulk up to 15% body fat. Let's say you start feeling insecure about your weight at like 12, 13%, then you can cut back down. You know, like for me, my favorite protocol nowadays, if I want to gain any lean muscle mass, is to lean bulk for about 2 weeks and then cut for about 2 weeks. So bulk 2 weeks, cut 2 weeks. This is called micro bulking and micro cutting. I got this from Brandon Carter, my favorite fitness YouTuber, and he was the first person who would not bullshit on the YouTube. Now, do this over time, and it's actually going to be very good for your hormones to yo-yo like that. It's not going to be just yo-yo dieting like a lot of people say it is. It has a lot of benefits to it. All right, guys, I hope this video helped you get rid of your skinny fat physique. So like I said, it will take time, but you will have to be committed to this. Now, like I've said, I'm a certified personal trainer. I've helped hundreds of people build aesthetic physiques. So if you're interested in one-on-one coaching with me, click the link in the description box to schedule your free consultation, and we'll video chat one-on-one, kind of see if we'd be a good match together, okay? All right, guys, if you like the video to push it out to the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe for more videos just like this. And that is it. Have an amazing week, guys. I love you. Peace.